Hey, it's Vaz from Aussie RC Playground, and we are back with the Typhon V4. We've got the 20-tooth pinion in there this time. We're going to try it out on 4S first, and then 6S for the 70 miles an hour. Let's see how we go. Okay, first run. 4S. Hopefully we don't lose range with these radios. Here we go, Dean. First pass. 82 on 4S. Have a sticky beak. Thank you very much, sir. Let's go. Second pass. Still getting used to this STX2 radio. Okay, here we go, Dean. $80 that time. Alrighty, thank you, sir. Third and final pass. Here we go. $81. 81 k's an hour on 4S. Let's see what our GPS will tell us. Which one of those was correct? 80, 81 or 82? Or were we going to just average it out? I'm hoping there's an 81 under the hood here. Let's see, what do we got? 81! Oh, look at that. Beautiful. 81 k's an hour on 4S with the optional 20-tooth pinion, running a Genzace 5500 milliamp 45C 4S pack. Let's go 6S. Alright, here we go, 6S. Woo. Woo. This is going to be interesting. Yeah, I reckon so too. Do a little Hail Mary before we take off, because I'm not confident on this radio. Here we go, Dean. First pass on 6L with the optional 20. Oh, Jesus! That got a little bit out of shape.
Misread, only 52.
Alright, misread on that one. Let's go again. Got a little bit out of shape. I did lower the car slightly. So we'll try to... He's going to take a step sideways. Yeah, good idea. Here we go, Dean. I'm going to ease the power on. Full throttle. Oh, Jesus!
113.
113. So we are close. We are ever so close to the 70 mile an hour. We can't see the decimals. Otherwise it probably did hit 70 mile. But it's getting a bit out of shape. Dean's a little bit scared. Just stand behind the tree, you'll be fine. I think this radio is not helping either, man. Alright, here we go. $114, there it is. 70 mile an hour. Definitely achievable. No problemos at all. I just don't... this radio, I'm swapping this as soon as I'm done here. I'm putting something else in here. Here we go. Third and final pass. Whoa! Try it again. I've got my dual rates turned all the way down and I'm still getting so much steering on this thing. Okay, here we go, Dean. Oh! Yeah, nah, I'm getting rid of this radio like ASAP. I do not like the feel of this at all. What do we get? 107, drifting sideways. Yeah. Sorry, Horizon and ARRMA, but these things do not match this 70 mile an hour car. It just feels wrong. I got my dual rates turned all the way down. I mean, look at this. It is... Camera, focus please. Focus. Focus on me. Come on, here we go. There it is. So that is turned all the way down to 0. And look how much steering I still have. It's just not, it's not right. It doesn't feel right. All right, let's see, what do we get? Whoa, 118. I don't know if that's completely accurate, unless going sideways somehow with the G-force and everything, maybe. G-force, you reckon?
Sideways at 107.
Yeah, I was sideways at 107 just before, so yeah, I don't know if that's correct, but yeah, definitely doable with the 20-tooth pinion, which is what I was here to prove, just to make sure that it could do that speed. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the car, as well as links to my social media pages. And I'll speak to you all next time.